In the times of rapid technological changes, we have worked hard to develop industrial automation as creator. In 2007, Yicheng was only a small workshop manufacturing automation equipment in a small town, but later on, it made impressive progress and gradually began to contribute to the innovation of industrial automation. In 2010, it had accumulated considerable technical strength and established stable partnership with more and more domestically and internationally famous enterprises, thus laying the foundation of becoming a leader in non-standard automation industry. In 2013, Yicheng witnesses many changes and closely cooperated with many Global 500 enterprises. It also entered new service fields with improved technologies and a management level. In 2016, it sets up offices in Hong Kong and Germany and founded branches in Shenyang and Indonesia to speed up its expansion. At present, it focuses on becoming the leading enterprise in China's automation industry, pursues innovation in research and development, keeps improving manufacturing, makes efforts to professionally satisfy customers, tries to provide comprehensive automation solutions for global customers with its own technical advantages, and creates value for customers with continuous technical innovation. An explorer, always keeping innovating. Yicheng focuses on the research and development and application of automation technologies. It established a research and development team consisting of over 100 technical professionals, which targets the future industrial development trend and always keeps innovating. Yicheng is cooperating in the area of production, study, and research with Beijing Institute of Technology, Beijing University of Posts and Telecommunications, and other domestic institutions of higher education. It also has established a laboratory and research base to solve the technical difficulties in automatic assembly technologies, integrated software control technologies, and optical detection technologies of precision parts, thus making Yicheng's automation equipment more intelligent and flexible. Yicheng has successfully applied for more than 100 relevant patents, which helps customers solve the difficulties in manufacturing. A manufacturer focusing on quality. Yicheng attaches great importance to product quality. It has purchased many precision processing equipment, always uses internationally famous branded standard parts to develop and manufacture various high-quality automatic assembly equipment for automobiles, switches, motors, fans, mobile phones, medical applications, connectors, and robotic arms, etc. To ensure excellent quality, Yicheng strictly manages and controls quality and comprehensively inspects supplied materials, manufacturing procedures, and shipment with complete inspection equipment to provide competitive products for customer and to gain the enterprise reputation. A service provider loyal to customers. As an excellent supplier of intelligent automation equipment, Yicheng strives to satisfy customers in after-sales service, and it is favorably recognized by customers. After the products are strictly inspected and sent to customers, Yicheng will provide professional after-sales services. The technical team will install and debug the equipment and train operators for free before the equipment is successfully put into production. If customers need technical support during subsequent use, Yicheng will timely and efficiently meet the requirement by remote assistance and on-site technical support. The warranty of all equipment sold is 1 year with lifetime maintenance. With the arrival of Industry 4.0, Yicheng will work with partners in the industry to promote the new era of industrial automation, firmly grasp the new opportunity with innovative thinking, actively explore new markets, and make contributions to the industrial development of China and the world. Yicheng always adheres to the service philosophy of integrity and pursuit of excellence, and tries to become customers' most reliable strategic automation partner. Yicheng is looking forward to cooperating and creating the long-lasting manufacturing brand with you. Precision and excellence, long-standing Yicheng.